Good morning, children. Welcome to Standard 5. I believe you are all enjoying your homestay and staying safe. At the same time, you must be missing the school and friends. To continue your classes, we are starting online teaching. Today, we are going to study subject and predicate. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Every complete sentence consists of two parts, a subject and a predicate. To identify and distinguish between a subject and a predicate, let us study a few examples of declarative sentences. Let us study the first example. Birds fly. A short sentence but makes complete sense. Now, let us identify the subject in this sentence. To identify the subject, we ask the question who or what the sentence is about. The sentence "Birds fly" is about birds. Hence, the subject here is birds. The subject of a sentence is usually a noun or a pronoun, and it performs the action of the verb. What we are talking about the subject is called the predicate. Therefore, predicate in sentence 1 is fly, which tells us what the birds do. Remember, a predicate always contains a verb. It may be an action word or be form of the verb, such as am, is, are, was, were, or an auxiliary such as has, have, or had. Predicate tells us what the subject does. Now let us do the remaining examples and identify the subject and predicate. Ram and Ravi are going to the zoo. Who are going to the zoo? Ram and Ravi. So, Ram and Ravi is the subject and are going to the zoo is the predicate. Here we have two subjects, Ram and Ravi. The next sentence, they have won the match. Who has won the match? They. So the pronoun they becomes the subject. Have won the match is the predicate. Ajay's laptop is on the table. What is on the table? Ajay's laptop. So, Ajay's laptop becomes the subject, is on the table is the predicate. The family is watching Ramayana during the lockdown. Who is watching Ramayana? The family. So, the family becomes the subject, is watching Ramayana during the lockdown becomes the predicate. Now we noticed here that all the predicates begin with a verb. Are going to the zoo, have won the match, is on the table, and is watching Ramayana during the lockdown. Let us identify the verbs here. Are going, have won, is. Here the verb is does the function of a full verb. The last sentence, is watching, is the verb here. In imperative sentences, the subject you is implied. It is hidden rather than expressed. For example, come here. It means you come here. The subject here is you, which is hidden. Again, in the next example, close all the windows. Here, the subject is you, which is understood. With this, we come to the end of the session. Hope by now you have understood the topic subject and predicate. On the next slide, you will see an assignment based on this topic.